Hi friends, my name is Melissa. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be decorating my faux fireplace mantle for St. Patrick's Day. I'm really excited about it. I've never done a St. Patrick's Day fireplace mantle, tablescape, or anything like that, and so I'm excited to try something new. I'm going to be using little like vintage and antique things that I'm pulling from like around other areas in my house, and then I'm also going to be showing you guys what I got at Dollar Tree because I wanted to add some like four-leaf clovers and like obvious things. I wanted to do a DIY as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that yet, so I'll let you know as this video is going on. But I have this old vintage wood that we pulled out of our basement, and it's like the perfect vintage green color of paint on it. And so I was thinking about maybe making a sign out of that and have it say like lucky or some type of Irish quote or something like that. So I don't know if I'll be doing the little DIY in here or not, but I'm just going to kind of set things where I think they look good and do a little decorate with me for St. Patrick's Day. So if that sounds fun to you guys and you like kind of vintage things as well, then keep watching. I also have to show you a little close-up of my eyeliner today. Look at this green glitter. It's so much fun for St. Patrick's Day. This is my little Dollar Tree haul. Everything came from Dollar Tree except for this really pretty ribbon. I got that at Walmart, but I wanted to add some gold things as well as green. And so I'll just kind of show you. Everything I got was $1.25. I thought this was really cute with the corrugated metal and this little sign that's made of cardboard or whatever, but it's cute with like the burlap on there. And then I got this. I'm not sure if I'll take the hat off or leave it on. Some other little sparkly clover picks. And this is like a felt garland that I could hang maybe on the fireplace mantle. And then I got 4 of these 4-leaf clovers. Some have glitter and some don't. I wanted the ones without glitter, but they didn't have any left. So I don't know, I'm probably going to poke those here or there. I might even put them on a wreath that I'm going to be hanging up that I already had. I also got these little candles. I'll probably take the plastic off of them. I'm not sure yet what I'm going to use or not going to use on the mantle. These I might just save for like that day, like if the leprechaun comes or something. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or if I'm even going to have like a mirror up on the mantle yet, but I might use just maybe the clovers or something. We'll see. And then I got this sparkly clover garland as well. So these are all the cheap little finds. Oh, and I got these socks too. They're really cute little fuzzy socks from Dollar Tree, and I love them. So this is everything that I got, and let's get to decorating. I wanted to show you guys these as well. I'm not sure. I probably won't use these like on my fireplace, but I did also get these at Dollar Tree, and I thought they were really cute to hang up like St. Patrick's Day morning with like the pretty sparkly gold stuff. And this one comes with 3, and that one's like a bigger one. So I thought like every morning when the kids wake up, I always have like everything decorated, and it's really fun for them. So these are probably going to be saved for that, and some of those stickers probably will as well. I wanted to share some of the other little green vintage things that I have lying around the house that I just pulled from different areas that I think might look cute up here. I grabbed some of my son's coins from previous years. Got these little candelabras that I found previous years thrifting, and I've got this really pretty Victorian looking, I believe this is from the 70s, with the green velvet inside. And right now I have a mirror up here, but I'm not sure if I'm going to leave that up there or if I'm going to put a wreath up there instead. I scrubbed the mirrors on my little faux fireplace, but I also wanted to show you guys this beauty. And then I just right now got some like pillows and random other stuff that's just kind of sitting here. So I'm going to try to do the top part and the bottom part here. And if you guys haven't heard much about this fake fireplace, my husband made it for me, and I love it so much. So I get to decorate this every year for Christmas and other holidays, and I just have so much fun with it. Maybe someday we'll get a real fireplace. If you hear the bubbling in the background, it is just the fish tank. I wasn't sure if I was going to use this shiny clover stuff, but I think it looks kind of cute. And I don't know, I think I'm going to keep the mirror up there. I thought I was going to do a wreath, but I don't know, I'm feeling the mirror, but I do need something else underneath it that has like more height, so I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do, but look at how cute this felt garland is. I'm like actually surprised how nice it is, and there's only a couple little pieces that are bent, and it was from the Dollar Tree. This is a cute little basket that I got years ago at a thrift shop. I just keep my clothespins in here normally, but I am going to use this in my decorations, I think, because it brings in like a little bit of cottage vibes to it, which I feel is really springtime appropriate. So I think I'm gonna see what this looks like sitting here, and then put some of these little clovers in it. I think that looks really cute, and I'm also leaving these lights up here so I can have some little lights once it's all done. Another one of my favorite ways to decorate is with vintage suitcases, and this one is one of my favorites because I love this color. And if you guys watched last year's Decorate with me on my mantle, I used this for my Easter decor, and it was probably my favorite fireplace mantle I've ever done. It was just so like, I don't know, you guys have to watch that one. I will link that one below if you haven't seen it yet, but I'm like kind of thinking I should do that kind of vibe again this year for Easter, but I also like to switch it up, so maybe I'll do like pastels this year or something. But if you guys want to see like the ultimate vintage with yellows and greens and golds, and it's just like the perfect browns, hippie colors, but also like Easter, springy, check that video out because I love that one so much, and I'm really proud of how that one turned out. But I'm going to, oh, I gotta tuck that back in. But I think I'm gonna put this here. That's where I put it in the last video, and then I can kind of use that to stack things on top of. And I just love using it because it gives like different dimensions or whatever, depth, and kind of lifts things up a little bit. I've also laid it down on its side before to decorate on top of it as well, but I think I like it standing up better like this. I think I'm going to take this little old wine bottle with these beautiful sparkly feather plants, move it over here with a little closer to the rest of the decorations. Look how perfect these sparkles match with the bow that I put up there. I just like love these together, and I think it kind of brings this color down to the other part of the fireplace if I add it down here. Can't decide if I like this little guy here or if I like it better down in front of the suitcase. Then I feel like it needs something up here. Also, don't mind those cars in the background. Me and my son are on a pause. I told him I'd leave them there. I feel like this is in every video. When he gets home from school, we're gonna finish playing a game, so I can't move them. I have this cute little glass mushroom face, and I was thinking maybe I could put that up here. And then I also have exactly 3 of these little glitter picks left, and there are 3 holes inside of the vase. I have these sticky little window clings, but I don't know if I want to use them. I feel like, I don't know, I think I like what it looks like better without, like, I don't know, they're cute, but they're kind of like, you know, more playful than like grown-up looking. But I was thinking if I used them, maybe I would only use the clovers and save the words for my kids on St. Patrick's Day morning. Thought possibly about using the word lucky and just like putting it down here at the bottom of this mirror as well, or maybe using like the little sparkly gold coins. But I don't know, I think I might just not use them. I also have like the big mirror down here as well. I could put them on. What do you guys think? Would you put them on, or would you leave them and save them for like a surprise on St. Patrick's Day morning with their little gifts? We've got the coins, which I know are like another kind of like childish looking playful thing, so I don't know if I want to use them, but I think it might be cute just to like scatter them around, and then like also put some up here just to like add some fun to it. Would you please be willing to wear this headband? You would? Okay. Stay. We'll put it right here like a collar. Beautiful. Okay, now sit pretty. Sit pretty. Oh, so cute. Shake. Thank you. Two-handed shake. Can you lay down? No. Cheater. A good girl. Can you shake? Good girl. Okay. Well, friends, that'll be all for today's video. I hope that you guys liked it and had fun watching this short little decorate with me. I love how it turned out. It's really fun. Got a little bit of, I feel like, whimsical and like playful childhood fun, but also some like cool antiques that make it just feel like moody. I just love how there's like a mixture of old and new and all of the green. It's getting me excited for spring. I can't wait to do an Easter one next, so if you guys want to see that, comment below and let me know if you'd like to see how I decorate this for Easter. Also, don't forget to watch that video from last year's Easter. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I'm so glad that you all are here. Happy almost spring, and daylight saving time is almost here. It's going to be lighter longer. There's going to be lots of more fun stuff to come. Make sure that you like this video and help out my channel, and also subscribe if you haven't. If you're new here, hello. One more little thing, if you guys are into plants and gardens, I'm going to be sharing my favorite plants with you guys. I told people I'm going to be doing it. I had a few people ask me to share that with you, but I'm going to kind of wait until my plants get a little bit healthier because they're doing a little sad right now over the winter. But I'll be sharing that soon, and I'm also going to be sharing a lot of gardening content this summer and spring. I think I did that 2 years ago and it was really fun, and then last year I kind of took a break on the garden and we're like fixing it up right now, so be prepared for those update videos and also our yard update and our pub shed update. I have the video, I'm making it right now, so it should be really soon, and I'm really excited for that. So anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!